if the Satan one cassa, what me done who say hand before, it's the city for you be a young one. Kennedy Agyapong one cassa the can't about Bawumia $800 million. Bedi atro tire Ghana for nyina ni wiase nyina te Bawumia abrabru $800 million. Into the city for cassa abrabo bit $50,000 here.
Ghana cedis.
Ghana cedis enyanwa. Meanwhile, MPs na mosumudi other aspirants na chidie. Mo de mo se bribe mo. Oh, na se sabi wo wudi obi achi. Wo de wo se wo ye man of integrity na woman of integrity. Wo de akoma pa ne koye obi am bribe. Obi kodu obi achi. Na obi ono se nipa obi abrabo na de se sabi adwene no ho atechema. Enya adwuma. Obi o wo se enipa si sekere no nyomo na ekoto aba. Na enipa ekoto aba no eye jama 250,000. The disease they can go to hell. Now, Toshi, aye, single individual, nipa ba kupe. What's what occurred declare Kennedy Agyapong? Dano, Kamunya, Kamini Woko BBC, CNN, Al Jazeera, Decibella, Voice of America, and then when you know, announcement to her, send out to Shiaba Moho. Na to si ono kwan lo kwakoto aba aselete flag bearer de ma party na enipa ba ko pempo no mu ye se wiase nyina behwe na enipa si secretary ya mo se nyom na ekoto aba but ye ya no mu re fini se police station for na mo se wo mo na beto aba no sa police station for na to aba ma enipa na oye mp no se nipa no mpena semo a onto na aba ma no ma no be mp the moment enipa beto aba ma obi am ya mp no openasem enti enipa etu abama no ma ye mp no so me 100 ya e bia wakasa emu 70 betie ana emu 60 betie kase chale mi na musuma mi o but ha ne yeko ha ne bebo ye nyina because ma musuma me ne se mu pe bibipa eni se bibipa ne yensa beka o me yemfa smesi nko ne yekwa yensa beka sa ade no o mbeti ase na o ma to abama nti wo ma ti wo se na nyomo na ekoto abama fa ne ko si nyine no wo mo o commande sa nkrofo no enti eno nso no ese omumpe enipa na won hunu se party no efe power ba Dr. Bawumia nkwa no metim dinaba no omo sese ne beka enti mu pa mu nyai ai asofu asem a aban ya no fa yi asofu na asem a aba he me kan da bi ada se wo ye sofu na wo say over your dead body ena kramoni be wa be president wa ha na kwa ba faso obesi kwan bia no makramoni me president now sorry now ujija so fo sika wie now di bia fa plane akọche na Dubai so ko holiday a we so for our bodam ni nyansa because Dubai ho no Kristo ni so fu bia ni wa na kwachichiri ma no enkramofo no na chichiri omoman but uja eni Ghana no ho now ko di holiday e wo Dubai ni enkramofo amanso na be ka se wo mamu di o makramoni bia me president ya sabe unyansa awofo unye nyame sofo krofo sika na abo mapo ojiji keke enti asem na sofo na keka no ye po obi obebu man ye mpo obi a obeye Kristo sumiye Bawumia nka so obeye Kristo sumiye na obeye nkremo sumiye enti anopa wo kan Ghana no yo tichire man na ye nyimi na Kristo sumini ha na nkremo sumini ha ye die ye na nanom ani oma bosom sem na no modeti adenti nyemfo man no mo enti so far so good ena wuti a asofo na ompeso mo ka no kre e ma Ghana 40 no e ka kire wo mo nso a omo kopa bibi wo mo nya bi onya so ma nya bi dia ja no asofo a wo mo si MPP for na nado ni Bawumia dada wo nti no e kwan bi o be fa so a Bawumia nya president bia no behwem no ade a wo manya firi wo mo no e ka se kan nya de na so adu furu penti ompeso ntia so Ghana nyina de ma wo nko a omo kwa na moto kedi di omani no machi nyame se womo na ye nyame nkrofo omanya ni senti no omo mpirima Bawumia me ye president but omo nye nyame.
All right, Koka,
I'm here to accord you every respect. We will assist you in this house. Mr. Speaker, we are in this political act together. And this thing happening today is posterity in action. I was there was there. We were in government. And our friends knew the views of stakeholders in the governance of this country on this matter. And they were clear in their ambush. Now, the chickens have come home to roost. They have come home. Please. Only yesterday, when we were raising this issue, Mr. Speaker, you were saying that the bill must pass. Now you are in government, you are in the hot seat. When the IMF, the World Bank, IPU threatening, you are now running away, you are saying procedure. Which mistake? There was nothing administratively in error. I dare say for the records. You forced LGBT on the throat of the Akufo-Addo government. Today, you don't want LGBT. You would want it. Mube pepa. Mube pepa. You don't need to win election. Now, when your stakeholders, the international community is warning you, you want to run away. Run to where? You now see governance. You are in the kitchen, you see the heat. I was there, we will plead with you. Let's manage this situation. You say, no. Remember that hot afternoon? As a chief whip. You remember that hot afternoon? When you suffocated me with third reading. You are laughing. Mr. Speaker, this bill.
What is the meaning of what you said?
Mr. Speaker. After when I look at majority leader, it's not easy. What I'm trying to tell them is that, you see, when they were in opposition, they forced this bill on us. Even when it was in court, they say the bill must be signed into law. We heard President Mahama, His Excellency. He said, oh, the bill, he's seen it, but he's referring it to the Attorney General. That was January. And then they will look at the very clauses, the aspect of criminalizing it and bringing a conviction and sentencing where the person must suffer a jail term. Well, the very thing that you wanted it, he said, oh, they have to look at it and change it. Mr. Speaker, today,
Honorable Minority Leader. Yes, but don't forget that at the material time that this bill was being considered, I was the ranking member for Constitutional, Legal and Parliamentary Affairs. And I recall that the bill that was passed, there is nothing criminal.
Mr. Speaker,
we took out the criminal element at the committee sitting.
Mr. Speaker, with respect. Mr. Speaker, let me help. Let me refresh our memory. Mr. Speaker, I was the leader of government business. I brought an amendment. My amendments were rejected. Mr. Speaker, the bill was suffocating government at the time. We were in difficult situations. We pleaded with our colleagues that please, let's manage this situation. They said no. Today, you are in government. You realize that you don't need LGBT. You see, this is like a scorpion sitting on a shibboleth. That scorpion, you place it on that shibboleth. That scorpion, that LGBT scorpion, you place it on that shibboleth. Whether you like it or not, you like it. Majority leader, you stay away from this matter. You've had your bite. Mr. Speaker, it's okay. Leader, you say Mr. Speaker is not around. You say the clerk to Parliament is not around. I would oblige you. Now, Sasabun some prior 1,000 years as so here. Mr. Speaker will come next week.
But you are offending our rules.
Mr. Speaker, I'm explaining.
Whatever you say,
I will translate.
You have to translate.
Mr. Speaker, even if we give them 1,000 years will come.
Very well.
So, leader of government, it's okay. It's okay. What do you want to say again? You want to do your you want to do your variation of order. You want to vary. You supported, you were in the middle bench. You were the chief legal advisor. You supported it. Now you are running away. Mr. Speaker, it's okay. It's okay. Mr. Speaker will come next week. Reverend, definitely next week will come. God will give us life. Whether you like it or not, that bill, you pass it. And use your super majority to reject it. The education minister needs grants. He needs foreign aid. He needs support for his ministry. Now, do you like LGBT or not? You are vying for rights. You are vying for women. Do you like LGBT or not? Say it. Let's hear you on record. Education minister, you want a woman to be president. Possibly you be the vice president. Do you want LGBT? Say it. What is your position? Declare your position, Minister of Education.
Yes, majority leader.